I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Nissan Kicks battery. First, turn the ignition off and remove the key, then open the hood and locate the battery. Disconnect the negative terminal first using a 10 mm wrench, then remove the positive terminal and secure cables away from the battery. If terminals are corroded, clean them with a baking soda solution and a brush before removal to ease the process. Prepare your tools and workspace before you begin to keep the job quick and safe. Use a 10 mm wrench for most Nissan Kicks terminals and have gloves and safety glasses on. Lay out a towel to protect the bumper and a small container to hold bolts and clips. If you want to preserve radio presets or ECU memory, use a memory saver or record settings before disconnecting the battery. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free timers, music, and voice commands while you work on your Nissan. It brightens your workspace with clear sound and simple control. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Now let's get back to the video. Start by loosening the negative cable clamp and removing it from the terminal, then repeat for the positive cable. Next, unbolt any hold-down bracket and lift the battery straight up, keeping it level to avoid spilling. Inspect the battery tray and terminals for corrosion, cleaning with a mixture of baking soda and water if necessary. Replace any damaged clamps and apply terminal protectant before installing the replacement battery to ensure a solid connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.